Uh, my name is Hamad, and it's my very great pleasure to welcome you here to the shores of Abu Dhabi. There are so many stories to tell about the amazing creatures that live in the deeps. As soon as you venture beyond your own familiar beach, you will discover.
I'm so sorry.
Careful. Are you alright? I'm fine.
Alhamdulillah.
That must have been a very urgent message you had to send.
It was just a selfie of me in Abu Dhabi.
What else have you photographed to send to your friends? Some of the famous landmarks of Abu Dhabi, perhaps? Or traditional food? Some of the locals alive?
Not yet, but I hope I see a toucan. If I do, I will definitely take a picture.
Okay, you have certainly come to the right place for dugons. A great many of them have found shelter in our waters. But the best thing to take a closer look is go diving.
No thanks, diving is not my thing.
Wait a minute. Don't I know you? Fahad, right? Fahad?
Yes, I'm fine.
Fahad! I haven't seen you since you were about this high. Don't you remember how you used to beg me to tell you a story every time I came to visit your grandfather? Of course! Hamad!
Hamad, the storyteller.
That was your grandfather's nickname for me. Probably because there is nothing that I like more than telling stories.
I certainly remember your story about Budari. I had nightmares for weeks.
Every I didn't just tell you scary stories. Don't you remember some of the others? What about all the time I told you about the amazing creatures that live beneath it? There was once a fisherman named Sultan. He was so poor, he could scarcely support his wife and 3 children. Day after day, week after week, month after Sultan threw his net into the waves. And each time his net returned empty. Finally, the day came when Sultan was in despair. How could he feed his family? Oh, poor kid! Hika! Send me a sign that I am meant to live by the sea if I cannot go on like this. He vowed, if his net returned empty one more time, he will abandon his life at the sea and turn to the land for sustenance. And so it came to pass that Sultan threw his net into the waves one last time. And this time, fortune smiled upon him. Sultan could barely believe his eyes. There, caught in his net, was a mermaid.
What did Sultan do?
What would you do? What would you do, guys? Would you keep her forever?
No.
No. Would you steal her beautiful pearls?
No.
Would you let her go?
Yes.
Yes. And that's exactly what Sultan did. The mermaid was so beautiful. She shimmered with gold tissue-like colors of the ocean. From velvet turquoise to the deepest gold of the sun. And her crown of coral was decorated with lustrous pearls. She was a marvel to behold. Sultan had no thought of reward in his heart when he freed her, and yet rewarded he was. To thank him, the mermaid brought him a gift from the deep, a golden shell brimming with perfumed oil. Do you know what that oil did?
What?
It allowed Sultan to breathe underwater. deadly woes. The mermaid opened his eyes to the marvels that lie beneath the waves. She showed him beauty such as he never imagined. Wonders beyond compare. Right there in the ocean heart, Sultan could not express his thanks enough. As he waved goodbye, he knew that he would never think of leaving the sea again. For what man could turn his back to such beauty?
And they lived forever after in happiness and bliss.
Yeah, they lived in happiness and bliss. Yeah, that brings us a lot of memories. And now, it's time for me to get to work.
That was a great story, Hamad. I can't believe I forgot how wonderful. You always make the ocean seem.
Thank you. You saw the